Hi guys, welcome to Common Core and Gifted Learning. This is Sneha, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll be posting a lot of anchor charts related to the lessons of these topics that I'll be talking about today. In my Instagram, I'll be posting my handle somewhere in the description box, so please look for it. Thank you. So today's topic is first grade curriculum list, like the syllabus and the topics you should be covering. First comes, of course, our numbers and counting, and we go all the way up to 50. And then with those numbers, we start teaching them skip counting, and we only do 2s, 5s, and 10s. And we need number chart, like basically the missing filling in the missing numbers, and same thing we do in a pattern like counting backwards, even versus odd numbers comparison. And then we do skip counting, where we do the extend the number rule, like finding the rule, like if it is the number pattern is skipping by 2 or skipping by 5 or skipping by 10. And then input output, like you give an input and then what will be the output considering, like say it is skipping by 2. Then comes ordering and comparing, is basically greater than, less than, equal to. And there we teach like about based in block, and based in block is very much important here, because using based in block later on they will be doing addition and subtraction, and how to decompose a number, like how to split 10 with 6 and 4, or say 5 and 5. And then comes addition with base 10. And then we have place value. Place value is we only talk about the tens and ones, we don't go to hundreds. And we teach them how to do the nearest rounding, like rounding to the nearest 10, and building 2-digit numbers only from tens and ones. And we teach them the expanded form as well as the normal form. After that comes addition. Addition actually starts from very beginning, like with pictures first, and then goes all the way to the word problem. And it's basically they teach addition using different ways, like say 100 chart, say number lines, then based in blocks. And they also teach how to do the missing 10 add-ins, and like how to add with missing 10, and how to add like 2-digit and a 1-digit. There is not much carryover in the beginning, but later on we actually, when they go to the vertical column form of addition, they start both carryover, and they do it with carryover and without carryover. Next comes subtraction. With subtraction, it's of course 0 to 20 to start with using objects, but then again it is same, like they teach how to do backward counting, like down, and counting up, basically using a number chart or number line. And they also do subtracting from whole 10. And there is no regrouping at this level, but they do some mixed number, like say they will give you 4 numbers including like plus and minus, like 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3, like that, like a whole equation up to 4 numbers. And there of course is word problems, but the sum or the answer of the word problem should not exceed 50. That's the criteria. Next comes fraction. In fraction, it's of course we will start, because this is the first time we are introducing fraction to the kids. We have to start with what talking about the concept, like it only fraction can be only with if it is broken down into equal parts, and then dividing the shape into equal parts. What fraction is fraction all about, like shaded by total. and then like parts of a whole, recognizing parts of a whole, and then writing fraction forms, and then identifying the group. And then also we have, they will say something in a line like so and so ate this many parts of the pizza, and so was ate this many and this much was left, so you have to write it in fraction form. So basically writing fraction story into proper fraction. Next is money. Money in first grade has to be taken seriously because they have to learn the coins. At least there is no bills at this level, but they at least have to learn about the coins, the name and the value. These are the only two things. And we start with the basic pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, just the 4 coins, basic 4 coins. And that's pretty much what they will cover in the first grade. They include bills from the second grade. So coins is what they will do here. And then we have measurement. Measurement is broken down into 3 subtopics: length, width, weight, and capacity. So length, basically giving them an idea about longer or shorter, taller or shorter, comparison, and then measuring with standard and non-standard units, and then comparing the length. Same with they do with weight, heavier or lighter, but they don't do the units of the weight at this level. They will be doing it in the next grade. And for volume is the same thing. They will have to compare, like it holds less or holds more, but they are not going to do any units. Unit is only for the length in first grade. With that, we go into our next one, telling time. Telling time. The time is this is the first time they will be talking about like clocks. So first thing they will actually introduce is what is the concept of time, like fast, slow, morning, afternoon, like just not the time of the day, but clock, calendar, these all actually measures time in a way. So units of time, then like the day, and fast or slow. Actually they don't talk about calendar as such in this grade, but next grade they will be doing a lot about calendar. So just I would stick to clock, drawing the face of the clock, like whole hours, half hours, and quarter hours, and the concept of elapsed time, like if I start at this time, where I will be in, like at what time it will be after 1 hour, the elapsed time concept. So, and they will be having some word problems, very simple word problems on that. Then we have geometry. Geometry is mostly focused on 2D shapes and identifying and drawing them, and their relative positions. And 3D, we do only the names, we don't do anything else. So we don't have to talk about like number of faces and vertices and all that. It's just like see, quadrilateral has 4 sides, or say square has 4 sides. Quadrilateral is actually not there. We will talk about like square, circle, the basic 2-dimensional shapes. And 3D, we will only do the names, like cylinder, then pyramid and cubes, things like that. So that was the end of our video today. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.